Welcome to SAP SD Account Determination overview. In this session, we will try to understand the ways in which account determination is used in SAP SD. It explains the account determination process using revenue account determination as an example. Let's take an example that we want our sales revenues, sales deductions and other taxes to be automatically posted to the relevant accounts in financial accounting whenever a billing document is created in SAP SD. We need to determine the accounts to be posted in several areas. GL accounts for posting sales revenues, sales deductions and VAT are to be determined automatically whenever the data is transferred from billing document in SD to FI module. The system can determine a reconciliation account that is different from the account that is entered in the pair master record. There are 5 criteria in SAP SD which help in account determination. First is chart of accounts. Second is sales organization, which is account assigned to company code. Account assignment group of customer, which is maintained in the pair master record in customer master. Account assignment group of material, which is maintained under sales views in material master, and account keys. The sales revenue accounts are created in FI in order to receive certain evaluations and to be able to carry out reconciliation with the profitability analysis. For this reason, you can set different criteria for account determination of the relevant account. Like just I've mentioned, the following are the criteria in the standard system: chart of accounts, sales organization, account assignment group for pair. This allows you to divide customers into different groups such as domestic customer, overseas customer, and so on and so forth. Account assignment group for material. This allows you to divide materials into different groups such as services, retail goods, wholesale goods, so on and so forth. Account key. Account key are assigned to the condition types in the pricing procedure so that the conditions such as freight conditions, other conditions can be posted into special freight revenue accounts. You must ensure that the configuration you made for the account determination match the configuration in FI and CO module. Account determination is carried out using the condition technique. I will explain you what is the condition technique briefly. Depending on the billing type, an account determination procedure is designed for the GL accounts. The determination procedure contains 1 or 2 condition types which an access sequence is assigned. This access sequence is composed of several individual accesses in the form of condition tables. The condition table contains the fields and field combination upon which the revenue account determination depends. The key fields are filled with the document data so that the system can search for a corresponding GL account for the relevant combination. If an access determines GL account, then it is set in the accounting document and the search is terminated. Let's first of all try to understand what is conditioning technique. Let me take an example of condition record in order to explain you further. Let's suppose that I am trying to maintain a price for ZPR0 condition type. If I go to the and check the key combination mentioned here, this is the access sequence which is assigned to this condition type ZPR0 and the back end. In this access sequence, these accesses are maintained at the back end under this access sequence. Under this access sequence, each access is contains a condition table which forms the field to form a condition record. Like for instance, if I select this one, so I am asking the system that if the condition type is ZPR0 and if customer is 16 and material is 5, sales organization, customer is 16 and material is 5. Please charge 500 rupees per unit. This is a basic overview of what conditioning technique is in SAP SD. Now let's see the criteria which I just mentioned for account determination in SAP SD, how it looks like at the back end. Let's just I have mentioned that there are 5 criteria for account determination in SAP SD. First, chart of accounts, sales organization, account assignment group of customer, that is pair, account assignment group material, and account key. VKOA is the direct transaction to jump to the account determination screen. VKOA. This is the account determination screen where we assign the GL accounts. Here we have different condition tables, like if you want to maintain based on customer group, material group and account key, customer group, account key, material group, account key, general, or just an account key. Let's try to see what customer group, material group and account key means. Let's go to customer master, where we can see where we maintain the account assignment group for customer. XD02 is the transaction, 16 is the material customer, assign only to one sales area, under sales area data, billing document tab. This is the account assignment group of customer. If we take the options by pressing F4 or the bubble button, we can see account assignment group of customers is whether this customer is a domestic customer and its sales revenues are posted into domestic revenues, or this is a foreign customer whose sales revenues is posted in other GL for sales revenues for export, or it is an affiliate company, is a customer for affiliated company and its revenues is posted into particular GL account of sales revenues. Now let's go to transaction, MM02, material 5, sales views, Z101, 1010. In sales organization 2, we can see the account assignment group. Here is finished goods. We can see the account assignment groups configured at the back end is finished goods, performances and services. Since this is a finished goods, it will be posted in the finished good revenue. And let's see what is account key. SPRO, reference IMG, sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing, price control, define and assign pricing procedures, maintain pricing procedures. This is a pricing procedure. Here the condition type ZPR0, which is the list price, against it account key ERL is maintained. Same, this is our sales tax ZMWS, against it MWS account key is maintained, and so on and so forth. Our 100% discount is maintained against ZPD account key. Now let's jump to VK0A transaction and try to see what is maintained in this. Our chart of accounts is INT. This is condition type co-fi, which is a standard one. Account chart of accounts is INT. Sales organization is 1000. Account assignment group of customer is 01. Account assignment group of material is 01. Account key, which is a revenue account, that is domestic revenues, is ERL, against which the GL account 8000 is maintained. Let me repeat. My chart of account is 1000. Sales organization, which is assigned to company code, is 1000. Account assignment group of customer is domestic revenues, and account assignment group of material is finished goods, and my account key is ERL, so revenues will be posted to this GL account. Now let's take another example. My chart of account is INT. Sales organization is 1000. Account assignment group of customer is domestic revenues. Account assignment group of material is finished goods, and account key is MWS, which is for taxes. So the GL in which it will be posted is 175000. Let's try to understand it more deeply by creating a transaction and seeing whether these were posted to actual GL accounts. Now I would like to change my customer whose tax classification is currently no tax to full tax. And we will see whether the tax amount will be posted into this GL account. Okay, changes have been made. /NVA01 ZOR sold to party 16, PO number 558, material is 5, quantity is 1. Let's go and check the condition pricing. ZPR0 is my list price, which is maintained 100,000 rupees. Since I have changed the tax classification, now the customer is liable for tax, which is 16%, 160. So total receivables is 1160 rupees. Let's create delivery. Delivery document has been created. Let's create an invoice for the same. Create an invoice for the same. Invoice has been created, and now let's see the accounting entries. Now we can see that the account receivable for our customer 16 is 1160. Sales revenues domestic is posted into this account, and output tax is posted into 175000 in this account. So this gives us clear idea how account determination is carried out in SAP SD. Now let's take an example how discounts are also managed in SAP SD. I am going to maintain free goods scenario for the same customer. material 5, minimum quantity 12. So in this scenario, once a customer buys 12 pieces of material 5, he will be given 2 free. There are two line items. First, 1000, 10,000 total. Sales revenues will be posted into against 16%. Now let's go to the second line item, where we can see the list price is 2000, sales tax is 320, and cash is 100% discount, which is against 2 free goods, is 2000. Let's create a delivery. Now create the billing. Delivery has been created. Now let's create the invoice for the same. Now let's see the billing document. See the accounting document. Total receivable from the customer is 11,920. Sales revenues 10,000 debited. Output tax 1600, and you can see the discount charges is posted into this account 22100 22100. If we go and see our account, the pricing procedure ZPR0, against which ERL is maintained, is for sales revenues, which is our basic price or list price, which is posted into GL account, this 800000. We can see our sales tax, which is a condition time, which is assigned against account key ZMWS, against which GL account 175000 is maintained. It is posted into the same account. 100% discount against free goods, account key ZPD is assigned to it, and ZPD is against ZPD 222100 account is maintained. Now I would like to configure a real-time scenario with respect to sales of services. That is, whenever a services sales is created, it should be recorded in the other GL account. New entries, V, condition type QFI, chart of accounts INT, sales organization 1000, account assignment group of customer domestic revenues, account assignment group of material is services, account key ERL, which is revenue, which is posted into revenue account is ERL, account key, it will be posted into sales services. Saving it. Changes have been saved. CoAFI is relevant for finance, and CoAFK is relevant for costing or controlling module. I would like to maintain same for this one as well. Data has been saved. Now let's change the account assignment group of service material 38. Z101 1010 to services. Material changes carried out successfully in 38 material. Now let's create a services order for the customer 16, PO number 889, material is 38 and order quantity is 1 R, 250 rupees per hour. Save this sales order. 91 is our sales document, and since there is no, this is service material without delivery, we will create billing document directly. $250 per hour, saving this document. Now let's see the financial accounting document. We can see accounting profit center and controlling document. Other controlling documents are also created. Now we can see that sales of services for the domestic customer is posted in this GL account which we just created. That chart account 1000, sales organization 1000, and if customer is domestic customer and material is services material, so and account key is ERL, which is maintained against the basic price, so this GL account should be called. And we can see that account receivable against customer is debited with 250 rupees, and GL account is for the sales of services, which is which is service revenues is posted against this account 8001.